Have you ever sent an important email and kept refreshing your inbox, wondering if the person even opened it? Most paid tools like MailChimp or HubSpot can track this. But what if you could do it for free? Today, I'll show you how to track email opens without using any paid tools, using simple methods anyone can set up. Step 1. Use a free Gmail extension. If you're using Gmail, there's a powerful free extension called MailTrack. Just go to the Chrome Web Store, search MailTrack, and install it. Once activated, it adds a tiny double-check mark next to your sent emails. When your recipient opens the email, one of the check marks turns green, and you'll even get a notification. It's 100% free for basic tracking, and works instantly. The only downside? A small sent with MailTrack signature appears at the bottom, unless you upgrade, but it's a fair trade for free email tracking. Step 2. Create a custom tracking pixel. Want to take it one step further? You can actually create your own tracking pixel for free. Here's how. Upload a tiny, transparent 1x1 pixel image to your website or a free image host. Insert that image into your email using HTML, or paste the image link if your email client allows it. When the recipient opens your email, the image loads from your server, and that action gets logged as a view. It's not as fancy as MailTrack, but it's fully under your control, with no paid subscriptions. Step 3. Use free analytics and email services. If you use platforms like ProtonMail, Zoho Mail, or Outlook.com, check their settings. Some include basic analytics or read receipts for free. You can turn on Request Read Receipt when composing a message. It's not always guaranteed to work, since the recipient can decline sending the receipt, but it gives you a decent idea of whether your email was opened. Bonus tip: if you send multiple emails or newsletters, combine MailTrack with Google Sheets or Gmail filters. You can automatically track who opened your emails and when, perfect for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone managing clients. No need for paid CRM tools. Conclusion. So, to recap. 1. Use MailTrack for free Gmail tracking. 2. Try a DIY tracking pixel for full control. 3. Enable built-in read receipts where possible. Now you can track your email opens like a pro, without spending a single dollar. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.